Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Empower Personal Dashboard application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then you can tap on the search box and type in Empower Personal Dashboard and start your search. Now you may find various other applications as well, but make sure to download this application with this particular logo from Empower Personal Wealth. Once you see the install button after clicking on the app, you can tap on the install button, and this will now begin the download and installation of the Empower Personal Dashboard application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button, which you can tap on in order to open up the app. Once the application is opened up, you can proceed forward with logging in to your existing account or sign up to create a new one to start using the Empower Personal Dashboard application right from your pocket. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Empower Personal Dashboard application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.